Hi, in this video, we will perform the chi-square test for independence between two categorical variables. First, let's read in the sample dataset. You can see it's organized in this format. You got cancer and alcohol and patients. That is for counts. Okay, so you can see there are 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 1. So that's the 4 cells. And then the column patients contains the cell counts. All right. So the first step is to reshape this data set into a contingency table. We can use the xtabs command. So let's run this line of command. And let's take a look at the contingency table created. Now this looks more like the 2x2 table we usually see, right? So after you have this contingency table, then you can just feed this object, the contingency table, into the function called chisq.test. So chi-square.test. Okay. And then you can print out the result. You can see it tells you it's the Pearson chi-square test with Yates continuity correction. Give you the test statistic, the degree of freedom, and the p-value. So in this case, the p is very, very small. So there seems to be an association between alcohol use and cancer. So this is pretty simple. But you may ask, what if the data comes into not like the format we have seen before? So for example, let's try to look at this data set. It's the same data set, but in a different format. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not created yet. Let me create this first. And now let's take a look at this data set. So it's only printed out the first few rows, but you can see it now it only has cancer and alcohol. And then you get a 0, 1, and 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So what if you have this kind of format for the data set? Of course, there may be other variables in the data set if you have a more complicated data set. Okay. But if you have data set in this format, what you can do is you can use the table command to reshape it into a contingency table. And then just feed it into the chi-square.test. And you can print out the result. It's the same, okay? Then you can interpret the results. Okay, now you have seen two ways to perform the chi-square test for independence on two data sets with different formats. Thank you for watching.